As 4 hurricanes hit New York at once, the woman living in this house assumed she'd only have to deal with intense hail. But she quickly realized she was wrong. A tornado was barreling straight towards her home. The tornado narrowly missed her, tearing through everything in its path. Thankfully, she remained unharmed, but one can only imagine the fear she experienced being so close to the destructive whirlwind. After barely recovering from one avalanche, residents of a Dagestani district were hit by another, and then another, and another, several times in a row.